Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're here for another video, and how are you? It's good to see you, and I've missed you. And so yeah, welcome back. So for today's video, I've been collecting, and I got a few hats from a couple brands, especially over this past holiday 2022, the Black Friday sales. So I just want to show you guys what I got. These might be some brands you've heard of, hopefully, or not. This might be new to you. So this is just really to show you guys what I got, and maybe you'll be interested in getting it for yourself. So anyways, we're gonna start with the first brand. It's called Grace Eleyae. It's either Eleyae or Eleyae, one of the two. This is a black-owned female business, and they specialize in hats, hair accessories, things of that nature that are satin lined, basically to cater to, because as an African American person, for our hair we need satin lined products like bonnets and silk pillowcases, satin pillowcases, things of that nature. It helps keep our hair moisturized and helps with the health and the growth of our hair. So that's the main reason behind the satin and the silk of the products of this company, is the health and growth of African American hair. Like I said, it could be for anybody, like the health of your hair. Satin is always better for your hair, especially when it comes to pillowcases and scrunchies and stuff like that. So they offer those type of products on their website. What I decided to go with was just like a baseball cap. I wanted to get one of their wool hats, but it was out of stock, so it's whatever. And then when I was trying to get this this baseball hat, it was definitely out of stock on their website, and they do offer some of their products on Amazon. So I headed to Amazon and I was able to get this little denim ball cap. It's super cute. It's $30. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of hair on it. Okay, we're good. Okay, it's really cute. Like I said, it's $30 and it's satin lined. That's what I like about their products. Because you definitely want satin lined hats. I mean, I still get cheap hats. Of course, the cheap hats aren't going to be satin lined, but this definitely helps when you're just wearing your natural hair and you want to put a hat on, and this helps with like keep your hair moisturized and with the growth of your hair. So yeah, that's why I decided to go with this. They offers several colors: black, tan, olive green, red. They also have men baseball caps. So this is what the cap looks like on. Like, it's super cute, right? Like, I love it. I dig it, and I'm a huge baseball hat person, so this was definitely up my alley, up my lane. I love to wear it with my natural hair, so this is perfect for me, and it might be perfect for you if you're looking to get a hat everyday wear with your natural hair. This is a good brand to support, and like I said, it's black owned. So Grace Eleyae, whatever. Moving on to my next hat that I got, and it's in a huge box, you guys. And this brand is called GigiPip. So I wanted to get a really good quality like brim hat, and so I came across them. It was either TikTok or Instagram, and love. Hold on one second, where am I? Okay. Love the hats on their website. They have so many to offer. I'm also interested in the boater hat. I've been wanting one of those hats for the longest. But when it comes, this is what it looks like. I also got a free little hat. So that was really cute. Thank you for that. But it comes like this to preserve the shape and everything of the hat. That's cool. I got the mod pencil brim. Yeah, the mod pencil brim hat. I got it in a size, what size is this? It might be the large. I think it was the medium large. Or it might have been the small. I don't remember. Hold on. No, it was a small medium. I got it in the size small medium. Now, I'd probably be wearing this mainly with my wigs, so I really wanted a medium large, but it was sold out. So I had to settle for this one. This is what it looks like. And this is satin lined as well. Ooh. And I like the little scripture in there. It says, here's to a woman who wears many hats. This is a woman-owned business as well. And they do have hats for men too. But like, look at the quality of the inside. Like, that's super nice. And this retails for $124. So just to try it on for you guys. Can you see that? Like, I'm dead. Like, this is the cutest hat ever. And I saw a couple like reels on it and I was just like, oh yes, I gotta get this hat. Like, I love this turns up. I guess that's what it means by pencil brim, but I absolutely love that. Like, it looks like there's something else up here, but it's not. The brim is just turned up. I absolutely love this hat. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, so this is what this hat looks like. Gigi and Pip, you guys. Gigi and Pip, $124. Now, they do offer like a little 10% off discount if you sign up for their email, but I think that's pretty much all you're really gonna get. They kind of had a sale going on for Black Friday where it was like, buy this hat, this many hats, and you get so much off. So that was the main reason why I bought it during the sale. It is Augustine Hat and Company. So theirs came in a big box too. And this is what the hat looks like on the inside. I ended up going, they don't have as many options as Gigi and Pip, but nonetheless, I saw a reel with somebody with this hat on, and I absolutely died. Had to get it. So, like I said, I got the Laguna style hat, and it's 100% wool. It is satin lined. I got it in a medium large. And this is what this looks like, taking it out. Now, this one I haven't really seen, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Look how well it matches my coat. But do you guys see that? And theirs has a little signature in there too. It says, this hat helps change lives, because I think when you order a hat from them, it's a percentage of the purchase of the hat goes towards help stopping human trafficking, which always down for a good cause. So they're not only are they a small business, but they're also in the process of donating to help stop human trafficking, which is a huge problem everywhere. But this is with the hat, you guys. I'm obsessed. Let's try it on. Oh my god, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Yes, and this one retails for $134. I don't know if I said that or not. Is there any more details? It does have adjustable Velcro drawstrings under the interior band. Yeah, like it can run large on certain head types. And to be honest, it's a little large on my head, but I do have a wig on. So, I have a small head, okay guys? So I would probably, from this point on, would probably get a small medium, just because that fits so well with my wig, the Gigi and Pip hat. So this is fitting pretty well, but I do feel space. So, I mean, it's perfect if I have a bigger wig, like a curly wig, but like for the straighter wigs, I could have definitely gotten away with a small medium. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this hat. Tell me, guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Absolutely love this hat. Go get you one, okay? Because this hat, ooh, it's so cute. It's so cute. 100% wool too. Great quality. Great quality. You can tell from the way the hat is made that it is a really good quality hat. So you guys, that's really it for this video. I just want to show you the hats that I got. Absolutely love all the hats. Like I said, Grace Eleyae. Gigi and Pip, and Augustine Hat and Company. So those are the 3 companies. Tell me guys what you think. Like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.